Hindi ka pangit, sadyang tamad ka lang. Again, te, hindi ka pangit, sadyang tamad ka lang. If alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka pasok sa beauty standards, then work. Work, te. If alam mo, te, na unhealthy ka, like obese ka, wag mong gawin, te, na parang, I need to accept myself, I need to love myself. Kahit na hindi ka healthy, te, for me, self-sabotage yun. For me, katamaran lang yung te. Like, for me, napaka-hypocrite mo na tao, te. Give yourself a chance to see the most attractive, to see the hottest version of yourself. Kahit one time lang te sa buhay mo, bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng chance na makita yung highest potential mo, na makita yung prime era mo, te. And after nun, kalimutan mo na. After mo magawa, after mo makita yung prime era mo, te, kalimutan mo na. Just give yourself a chance na makita yon in front of the mirror na, wow, I look good, I look attractive, na hindi mo kailangan pekihin yung sarili mo, na hindi mo kailangan maging hypocrite every single day na tanggap yung sarili mo, kahit hindi mo naman talaga tanggap yung sarili mo. Give yourself a chance. Real talkan mo yung sarili mo. Like, gusto mo ba talaga yung sarili mo? Or parang kino-convince mo lang yung sarili mo kasi you are not willing to put the work para mag-improve ka. Self-acceptance ba yan or katamaran lang? And I'm not saying this to discriminate anybody, ha? Kasi nanggaling din ako dyan, te. Kasi, te, for example, ako, ha, last 2022, sobrang payat ko, te. As in, kinonvince ko yung sarili ko, te, na ayos lang na maging ganto ako. Sabi ko, I don't care about the beauty standard, I don't care kung anong sabihin ng ibang tao, te, pero girl, I was unhealthy. Like, unhealthy talaga ako, te. I always believe na the highest form of self-love is allowing yourself to become the best version of yourself. And you can only meet the best version of yourself, te, if you are willing to put out the work. You need to do the work. Another example, te, marami kang acne, ganyan, or crooked yung teeth mo. Kino-convince mo yung sarili mong, ayos lang yan, ayos lang yan. No, te, hindi talaga ayos yan, te. Coping mechanism mo lang yan para hindi mo gawin mismo yung work. To the point na dinideny natin na hindi na natin gusto yung mga bagay na yon. Pero deep inside, te, yun yung gusto mo. Hindi mo lang kayang tanggapin na meron kang kailangang ayusin sa sarili mo. Kasi yun nga, te, tamad ka. And I know that sobrang harsh, medyo real talk, te, pero yan talaga yung kailangan mo. There's always room for improvement and never be embarrassed if gusto mong i-improve yung sarili mo, te. No. Take this video as a sign to glow up. This is your sign to glow up, te. I'm rooting for you. Please update me kung ano yung progress mo sa glow up mo, te. Looking forward. That's all and keep glowing!